Good morning to everyone present here. Today I'm here to represent a speech on the topic of Jaswant Singh Rawat. Who is a superhero? Anyone with supernatural powers, we categorize such a person as a superhero, and mostly they are imaginary. But today I'm going to tell you the story of a real hero. A hero who sacrificed his life for his nation, or better if I say motherland. And today is his birth anniversary also. Indian braveheart rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat, a young blood who sacrificed his life of just 21 years. He was awarded Mahavir Chakra posthumously for actions of valor during the Battle of Noralang in the Sino-Indian War 1962. Jaswant Singh Rawat was born on August 19, 1941 to Govind Singh Rawat at a village named Baryung, which is in the Pori Garhwal district of Uttarakhand. Today he joined the Indian Army as a 19 years old young man, August 19, 1960, 2 years before the war with China broke out. What had happened on November 17, 1962? Let's know. According to an official, the Chinese soldier had advanced attack on the Indian Army post at 5 a.m. that day. Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat along with other soldiers beat back to China's PLA group. Then Chinese started firing from an MMG, medium machine gun. From a close range, Rawat along with Lance Nayak, Trilok Singh, Negi and Rifle Gopal Singh, Gusen tried to substitute the MMG. Rawat and Gusen, with covering fire from Negi, tried to seize the MMG while returning. Gusen and Negi lost their lines while Rawat was severely injured. Rawat refused to retreat and fought on. Locals say 2 Monpagals from the area, Sela and Nora, helped him during the fight. They continuously jumped from one bunker to another to confuse the enemy as well as avoid getting hit by enemy fires. For 3 days, the Chinese were not able to ascertain how many Indian soldiers were engaged in the battle with them. Thinking that a large number of Indian soldiers were firing at them, the Chinese army could not advance for 72 hours. As a result, over 300 Chinese soldiers were killed in this battle. During last phase of 1962, the India-China War, the Indian Army units fighting in the northeast frontier agency Nepal. Now Arunachal Pradesh was struggling with an acute shortage of manpower and ammunition. What the soldiers did on that day has entered the annals of Indian military history. When you move towards Tawang from the Sela Tunnel, each and every bend of the mountainous trail is studded with the heroic deeds of Indian soldiers who made supreme sacrifice in protecting the country's sovereignty. At Jaswantgarh, named in his memory, a war memorial was constructed years ago. It is just about 25 kilometers away from Tawang. The memorial at the Indian Army post lies 52 kilometers southeast of Tawang and north of the Sela Tunnel on National Highways 13 Dirang Tawang station. Thank you. Have a cheerful day ahead.